So, next little chore. You are soon to go a beautiful blue. Yeah, I'm ready. And Taz is just kind of hanging out by the pool. Paint time. You go to the other side of the pool, it's better.
Okay.
No colour photo on it. Restaurant.
We could charge people for and have wine here.
Oh, absolutely.
Wine and cheeses. Oh man, look at that. Oh man, look at that.
So it took a little bit of wine to figure this out, but we've finally got the garden reorganised by pushing things around, painting a colour here, and just positioning it. Looks bloody good. Okay, so it's off for some fish and chips. Still so much. And in the beamer. Yeah, you're all in? Yeah. Squids is it. Comes here, there's a P. Found a car park at Long Bay. Yeah, Sydney's off investigating a big log. Not his.
It could be two, yeah. What'd you find,
Hey,
Sydney? You often got some miracles first when you get down there into it.
This is called the Cyclone Gate. Got damaged in something, so we can easily get over the fence. Still big pieces of wood here on the driveway. Yeah, a few more trees to come down, but I'm sure they'll sort that out. This guy's property. It's John and George. Incredible. Last glance at the carnage. Wandering here through the gate. Yeah. And locked. Hey, Squidney. How are you, mate? How are you? So the last changes up here were just to add one touch from Beyond. Just open this up. Go up to the garden here. And I put his little surf skateboard rack here at the table. Then you can look down here and you can just about see the blue table from here. Around the balustrade. What a weapon, this. Want one of those. Like Kiwi. And this is just incredible. Looking spectacular. And back to the new look blue. Quite a bit of work done here. Little Buddha. Here we go. Just. Hey, squid. Start with the gathering. Look at my friendly little birds here. And then grab this. I've just heard a fantail going in the background. Have to come back before she moves. Brilliant.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. When I'm shifting, you come again.
Oh, now we've got the challenge.